Can we go around?
Yeah. In 8 or 900 AD, there were two powerful dynasties who ruled Central Java at the time. Buddhist Hindus started to move to East Java, and some of them went to Bali. That means they asked the coming generation to study and interpret this meaning. More than 2 children, because lack of money, financial pressure will against your family. You got 2 kids, harmony will get pressure will against you. This is the meaning. This is what we call cause and effect. This is eastern side. This is also the main entrance. All the statue in the eastern side with a lotus position with the hand symbol like this, pointing to the earth, telling the earth to be the witness of it. Then have them.
Yeah. Yes.
And then another level, 2 times, nearly 3 kilometers. They walk very slow, 3 kilometers nearly. You understand?
Yeah.
But I take you one round, I make into a story. Maybe you know better than me about the life of Buddha, but I will tell again the story. Maybe some you like to know. His father sent him to school to become more clever than his friend, and also to become more clever than his teacher. If a prince will have engaged to a princess, they have to show a sayambara, what we call a competition. Because in the palace there's a lot of prince, a lot of rival. And then the cousin of Prince Siddhartha, name is Siddhartha, is very jealous because he also loves Gopa very much. And then in the first competition they play a game what we call a chess. In this competition the cousin lose, Prince Siddhartha won. But another competition, the cousin is a very powerful man, he kicked an elephant. One kick, the elephant died. So all these princes shoot 1 arrow goes to 1 palm tree or sala tree. But Prince Siddhartha only shoot 1 arrow, go direct to 7 sala tree. In this final competition, he won, and then he get married with Gopa. In Thailand, usually the Supreme Buddha is made from gold. That's why now the government took it and put the northwest side. They covered it so that no more issue. And inside that there was a statue.
Why did they take out?
Because it's not original one, duplicate. Because the original should be metal, they say. Bronze.
No, not necessarily.
La vie pour Carpino d'être les souvenirs Tandula, Tandula.
Ama sebentar kan